Hi everyone, it's the Hobby Dabbler. I started this page in my last video when I was trying to create some texture paste with some squishy foam. And I'd like to finish it, so let's get into it. So first I'm going to add some more texture with this stencil and some texture paste, because I feel like it just didn't have enough going on. So I'll put some up here. You just kind of smear it on with your spatula. Okay. You don't want it too thick or it takes forever to dry. There we go. And I think I'll put some more here as well. There we go. Okay. Clean up a little bit. Okay, so I'm gonna let that dry. And then I will be back. Okay, so that's all dry now. I originally sprayed it with Wild Plum Color Wash by Adirondack. And now I'm going to spray it with some of my homemade color washes. This one I call Raspberry. So we'll give that a spritz. And this one is Peach. Okay, now I'm just going to spray it with some water to spread it around. And I let the ink go where it wants to go. Okay, this one corner didn't really get color. Actually I'm gonna leave it. Okay. So that's looking nice. Okay, I'll be back. I gotta dry it again. Okay, so that's all dry. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take my bottle of Gesso and I'm going to draw a circle with an all-surface pencil, a blue one. Okay. And I'll draw another one up here. Oop, the texture paste wasn't quite dry up there. Okay. And now I'm going to take some smaller circles, draw them. Just around the page. Okay, nice. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, you know what, I'm going to add one more with this bottle up here in this corner. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Mei Liang watercolors and I'm going to go over those circles. I'll start off with some purple. Get my brush wet. Really feather that out. Now I'll get some darker purple. Do the edges a bit more. And feather that out some more. And my texture paste hasn't quite dried here, so it's kind of spreading around on me. Okay. That's okay. Okay, now I'm gonna do the next one in a darker, I think I'm gonna do a blue actually. This one here is gonna be blue. And I'll feather that in. Okay. Take a darker blue, go around the outside again. You just keep working at your circle until it looks the way you want it to look. Okay, I'm gonna do the one over here, the big one up at the top, blue as well. Everybody loves a good circle. Something just appealing about a circle on a page. Need more water. Go. Do a bit of darker blue around the edge again. Need more water. There we go. That looks nice. Now, the last two circles, I am going to do them, one of them at least a shade of red. And the other one, I'm going to do a deeper shade of purple. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's an art journal. You're supposed to be having fun with it. There, I think that looks nice. You know what? I'm going to go around the outside with purple on this one as well. Okay. Now, I'm going to let that dry. Okay, so that's all dried up. Now I have to decide if I want to add some sort of embellishment or collage piece. I kind of feel like I don't though. I feel like this is a nice background the way it is, and I just want to add a sentiment. So let's take a look at the Tim Holtz Ideology Small Talk and see if we can come up with a sentiment. Let's see. What do I like? That's a good sentiment. Life doesn't have to be perfect to be wonderful. Just like your art journaling pages. So I'm gonna snip. Life doesn't have to be perfect to be wonderful. So now I gotta see where I want to put it. I think I want to put it right here at the bottom corner. Life doesn't have to be perfect to be wonderful. Okay, so that was a fairly simple page, but simplicity is sometimes really nice. So I'll give you a few close-ups. If I can get my camera out of its holder. Whoop. So you can see all the nice texture, and my homemade stamps look really nice. And there it is. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and please remember to subscribe. Thanks, bye!